Welcome to MobilBid Learn. Silent auction tutorials. Complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add individual items to your auctions. To begin adding auction items, from your organization screen, click Select Organization. From the Auctions page, go to the Auction dashboard by clicking the Options button for your event. From the drop-down menu, click Admin Dashboard. You are now on the Admin dashboard for your event. From here, click Items in the left menu. There are two ways to add auction items: one by one, or in bulk. We'll cover the one by one method first. If this is not your first item to add, click the plus sign here. If this is your first item, to begin adding items one by one, click on Create Your First Item. You can now begin describing your item. Let's begin with item type. A silent auction item is an item that guests bid on using the MobilBid platform. For this video, we will show you how to set up a silent auction item. Live and multi-sale auction item types will be covered in subsequent videos. Next, select a category for your auction item. You can choose one of the preset category types. This item is optional. You can also create your own categories by clicking Add New Category. Next, is the lot number. Leave blank. The system automatically generates lot numbers. If you know what numbers you want to use, then enter them here. Give your item a title. Short titles work best. Give your item a description that provides more information on the item and encourages guests to bid. In the valuation field, enter the value of the item. This is what someone would typically pay for the item in a retail store. This is not your cost of the item. You can actually enter anything in this field, like priceless. Next, move down to the cost field. Enter your cost to acquire the item. If the item was donated, enter 0. If you paid for the auction item, enter how much you paid for the item. This allows you to track the profit margin of your auction items. Now, go back up to the info URL. If the product has a specific web page with more details, enter it here. You can also use this field to link to a donor or any relevant web page outside of MobilBid. In the donor field, if the item was donated and you would like to recognize the donor, enter the donor's name here. In the starting bid field, enter the minimum amount of the first bid. This is what the auction price will start at. In minimum increment field, enter the minimum amount that bids will increase by for the auction item. We recommend 10% of the starting bid. Next, to upload a photo of the product, click on Choose File. And then select an image file that is pre-saved to your computer. Next, click on Create Auction Item to save your item. Congratulations! You have now added an individual auction item. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add auction items in bulk to save time.